Already installed XAMPP but not sure what to do next? In this video, I'll show you how to create a MySQL database using phpMyAdmin step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you haven't installed XAMPP yet, check out my previous video. I've explained everything step by step. In this video, we'll move forward and actually create a database using phpMyAdmin. First, open your XAMPP control panel. Make sure Apache and MySQL are running. If not, just click on Start for both. Now click Admin button. This will take you to the phpMyAdmin dashboard. On the left side, click on New. Now enter your database name, for example, users. You'll also see something called collation. If you're a beginner, just leave it as default, @mb4_general_ci. Now click Create. And that's it, your database is ready. Let's create a table. I'll name it Admin and set 3 columns. Click Go. Now define columns. Click Save. Add some sample data. Name, Adam. Age, 29. Click Go. And your data has been successfully inserted. There's also another way to create a table and insert data, using SQL directly. Under your database, go to the SQL tab. Simply paste the query to create a table. Click Go, and your table will be created instantly. This method is faster and very useful when working on real projects or writing backend code. You can use either the graphical interface or SQL, both work perfectly. Now you know how to create a database and table using phpMyAdmin. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect this database with PHP. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.